Welcome to the Federal Exclusive. So the counting is underway, and the good news for the Congress party has been from the south, especially in Tamil Nadu, where it has contested 8+1 seats in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, and it's comfortably leading in 7 seats so far. To discuss the party's performance, we have with us Mr. A. Gopanna, Media Department, TNCC. Welcome to the show, sir. Thanks for joining us. So how has the party's performance in Tamil Nadu improved this time, and what have been the factors towards its excellent performance in the Lok Sabha elections?
From the beginning, the Tamil Nadu is against Narendra Modi and BJP government. Past 3 or 4 years, they followed anti-Tamil Nadu policies at center. That the India government never cared about the Tamil Nadu people. There is a hatred against Narendra Modi government. Tamil Nadu people are totally alienated, and their rights have been there have been lot of opposition for Narendra Modi government. ADMK also supported Narendra Modi. The alliance between BJP and ADMK and PMK and DMDK, this opportunistic alliance, Tamil Nadu people have rejected that alliance, and they preferred Rahul Gandhi and DMK, MK Stalin. Their combination, they have voted for big victory in Tamil Nadu. That is, I think 38 out of 40 we are leading now. And Tamil Nadu is always supported a Congress-led alliance. In 17 parliament elections, nearly 13 elections, Tamil Nadu people voted for Congress participated, Congress-led alliance.
So talking about the alliance, which also means that Congress's good show has been with its excellent alliance decision of joining with the DMK. So if you see what has been Congress's focus in the state of Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu particularly, people preferred Rahul Gandhi as Prime Minister, but North India preferred Narendra Modi. Now Narendra Modi is going to form a government, and North India results are against Congress. There is a north-south divide in the electoral results. In that way, in Tamil Nadu, Congress DMK is a secular alliance. We have alliance from 2004 to 2013. Then 2016, and we have nearly out of 14 years, we have 12 to 13 years we have alliance. Only 2014 we parted and we contested alone and we defeated. In 2016 again we are in alliance in state assembly election. That alliance is a natural alliance, ideological alliance, and we have a common goal. We have secular as a fundamental policy. And DMK, Congress, CPI, CPM, Vidudhalai Chirutaigal, all political parties are secular parties. We have a common ideology, common goal, and in that way we preferred Rahul Gandhi as Prime Minister. Tamil Nadu voted for Rahul Gandhi, and DMK Congress alliance, they have abundant support from Tamil Nadu, and we have achieved in Tamil Nadu. But in North India, other than all states, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, the results are very surprised. We are totally upset that the people have again voted for non-performed government for the past 5 years. I don't know why they have voted, but the total the campaign of Narendra Modi, he concentrated on issues on armed forces and which are not relevant to the common man. They have not addressed farmer distress, unemployment, GST, demonetization, and so many issues that Narendra Modi failed to implement the promises made in 2014 general election. We campaigned on that basis, but Narendra Modi campaigned in a different platform, and the people have yielded to the campaign of Narendra Modi, and they have voted Narendra Modi.
So this alliance that you're talking about in the south itself has these two contrasting pictures it has shown. You have an excellent chemistry with the regional party DMK in Tamil Nadu, but in Karnataka, where Congress is a more dominant force, having secured more seats in the assembly elections, there has been a bit of a friction from the beginning, from the time this government has formed. So that has also impacted the performance of the party.
In Karnataka, Congress party sacrificed the chief minister post and we gave it to Janata Dal S. Kumarasamy. From the beginning, after the formation of the government, from the beginning they have bickerings, infighting. Karnataka people are fed up with Congress Janata Dal S alliance. Because the alliance, they have no working arrangement. Always quarreling, every day creating a problem means people lost faith in both the Congress and Janata Dal S. Now they voted for BJP.
That has hurt them.
That is the problem, that you have to provide a good governance. You should have a working arrangement. Unity within Janata Dal S and Congress totally failed to perform in the parliament election. We have lost a very good opportunity in Karnataka. Karnataka is a bastion of Congress party. Now the communal party BJP has dominated and they have secured more seats, and we have lost nearly 10 or 8 seats from Karnataka. It's a great loss to the Congress party.
Despite a good show in South India, the leader of opposition party, leader of opposition parties, that tag is still elusive for Congress.
We have to get 55 seats. Now we are 52, 53 in that. We have to see the final result and we can decide whether we are recognized opposition or not. Last time we got only 44. We have not recognized opposition. But we performed as powerful opposition to BJP. Our leader Mallikarjun Kharge and Ghulam Nabi Azad in Rajya Sabha and Rahul Gandhi and other leaders, we are totally opposed to BJP in parliament and outside. That number official recognition, we have to get 55 seats, I think. I think they will reach in the final outcome.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for joining us and sharing your thoughts. Thanks for watching the Federal Exclusive. Keep watching us.